This is the landing page for IBM Watson. The URL is dataplatform.cloud.ibm.com. There are many entry points from the IBM website. This will save you some time. So you can create an account for free from here. And if you already have an IBM account, like for example in Bluemix, then you can use those credentials to avail this free IBM Watson service. I already have myself an account, so I'm going to say login. And I'm going to say continue. I already have my password all stored here. And I'm going to say sign in. So this is the landing page for the IBM Watson Studio, and you're going to be starting from here. So the first time you actually log in, there will be a tour which will be given for you. Basically, they will tell you what each of these tabs do and where what is. It's quite helpful and you should go along with it. So let's create ourselves a new project. So go ahead and say new project and choose complete. So you get to choose whichever service you like and say OK. Now keep in mind that this specific Watson Studio is in beta, so custom Slack when you find some issues. Alright, let's go ahead and say the project name. I'm going to say binary classification, and if you like, you can give a project description. They automatically associate a storage service with your project. So hit create. Perfect. So you have created yourself a project and now you are inside the project. The next step is to associate a machine learning service and a Spark service. All right, let's go to settings here. So we're going to go to settings and I'm going to come down and there you go. Associated services, we don't have any. So we have to add the machine learning and the Spark service. So click on the drop down here and click on Watson. So this is for the machine learning service. And there you go. You can choose machine learning. And you have to select the account which you want to use. So we're going to be using the free account. This is called Lite. So you can only have one Lite service and these are the features. So you can only have 5 models and 5,000 predictions and all these computing power, and if you are in deep learning then this will apply to you. So this is great. This is very good to get started, and if you see that you need more hours or more power, you can always choose standard or professional, and of course you have to pay as you go, and this is per capacity unit hour and per 1,000 predictions. Okay, so you got yourself a Lite. So let's go down and let's say create, and you have to confirm. So this is a Lite plan and service name is PM20. So say confirm. So now you have yourself Watson machine learning service. So you got to follow the same procedure and add your Spark service. So Apache Spark is open source cluster computing framework, and this is very fast compared to Hadoop because it uses in-memory computing engine. There you go. So you're gonna use a Lite plan and then simply say create and say confirm. So there you go. You have an IBM Watson account. You have created yourself a project. You have associated a Spark service and a machine learning service. Perfect.